I am a huge whale-like creature who is nearly invulnerable. Spears hardly affect me, as I can hardly feel them on my powerful skin. In the book of Job, they described me as such. His back is made of rows of shields, shut up closely as with a seal. His sneezings flash forth light, and his eyes are like eyelids of the dawn. Out of the mouth go flaming torches, sparks of fire leap forth. In his neck abides strength, and terror dances before him. I am also the ruler of envy, the fourth of the 7 deadly sins. And you may also know my female aspect as Lilith, the torturous serpent. I greatly appreciate Thomas Hobbes' view of me as a ruler over humanity, to keep him from doing what I perceive to be the wrong thing to do. I am the ruler of the last uncharted place on Earth, the ocean, and I would think twice before venturing off into it, because I might just be looking for you.